In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Yupoo on ACBUY. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to use this product, this Yupoo Gucci Dior Chanel clothing for this demonstration. So find a Yupoo seller and then copy the link. So I'm going to copy this and come back to ACBUY. Make sure to sign into your account or create an account. And then click on where it says enter product name link. Chuck that in there and then hit search. Now you're going to come here with product information. So we got the link here. We're going to put a name for this. Also, we need the specifications or material and also a remark. So the name of this is this. So I'm going to copy this, put that in where it says name, specifications or material. If I come back here, you'll find all that stuff here. Now once we scroll down, we got to put in fees, so the unit price, put the unit price in, the quantity, and any shipping fees. And now you can also upload images, so you can go ahead and copy and download, save the image, and then put it in here as well. Then from here, simply go ahead and click on add to cart or buy now, and then put in your credit card details to continue with that purchase.